Hi, in this video we're going to learn how to create a blog page. We're going to learn how to create blog posts that we can put in that blog page, and we're going to learn how to change the menu within your website. So the first thing I need you to do is to log into your website and go to your website dashboard. And then the first thing I want you to do is I want to make sure that all our pages kind of make sense. So I want to go to pages and you probably have just one page in your website. See what it's called. It's probably called sample page. What I'd like you to do is on the page that says front page in your pages menu, edit that so that it says home and then click update. So that you should have, I think, just one page in your website now, and that page should say home. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to create a blog page, and then we're going to create posts that go into that blog page. Now this can be a little confusing for first-time web users, so just kind of follow along with me. The first thing I need you to do is I need you to actually go to your posts menu and to categories under your posts menu. And I want you to change this category, which currently says uncategorized. I want you to change that uncategorized to blog, and then update category. I want to do one more thing. I want to make sure the slug says blog as well. So make sure that you have under posts, under categories, what originally said uncategorized, click edit and change the name to blog and change the slug to blog, all lowercase, hit update. And that's good for now for the blog posts. Now I want you to go back to pages. And again, you should have just one page right now. We're going to add a second page. This is going to be our blog page, but you'll see what I'm referring to here in a minute. It's actually not going to be our blog posts. It's going to be just a page that holds all of our blog posts. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to go to pages, add new, enter the name of a new page, and we're going to call it blog, not blob, blog. We're going to use the Divi builder. We're going to, in this standard thing that comes up, click this little plus sign here where it says insert columns. And we're going to click the one column or full width version here. And then nothing happened. Why did nothing happen? Oh, sorry. Something did happen. We actually did create that one column. And now what you want to do is you want to click on insert modules. And you want to go down here to blog. Click on blog. And then check this one thing that says include categories, blog. And then save and exit. Now, hit publish. Now when we go to our pages, you'll see we actually have two pages. The funny thing is when we go to view the blog page, you'll see that it has this one blog post in it, which is a little weird. It says hello world. Where's that coming from? Well, in fact, that's coming from here, from the posts. If you go to your posts and you haven't changed anything here, you'll see there is already one post in posts that's categorized as blog here, and it's called Hello World. Let's change the name of that. Let's edit that, and rather than saying Hello World, we'll say my first blog post. And this can say anything you want. You don't have to use the Divi builder here because you're just creating a very simple WordPress post. Hit update. Now I want you to add a new blog post, and we'll call that, just for simplicity's sake, my second blog post. And just put some dummy copy here. Let's see how we did. Did I manage to create two posts? Yes, I did. Importantly, you want to select under categories blog. Click this little blog button, then hit publish. Now, for a little bit of magic, go to your website, so up to your name, visit site, and you'll see you actually have, that's really weird. I have blog, home, and blog on my menu. Why is that? I'm not quite sure. So let's fix that. So we're going to go to Dashboard. Now we're going to go to Appearance, Menus. And we're going to create a new menu, because what's been happening to date is that Divi's been creating a menu for you. Every time you create a page, it just creates a menu item. We want to control that. We really just want 2 menu items at the top right now. So we're going to name our menu Main Menu. We're going to create that menu. Then we're going to make this our primary menu by clicking that. And then I'm going to hit here the 2 pages that I want to be on the menu, blog and home, and add them to the menu. Now I actually don't want home to be the second item in my menu. I want it to be the first item in my menu. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just grab it, slide it. So now I have home and blog. I'm going to hit save. Now I'm going to go to my site, visit site, and you'll see I only have 2 items in my menu up here, home and blog. And if I go to my blog, the funny thing is I'm seeing both of my blog posts. We'll talk about why that's happening in class. Okay, that's the end of this video. Hope you managed to do it.